friends, welcome back to the Frizzandfrillzz channel. My name is Chloe. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you are always up to date on any of my curly tips and tutorials, beauty and lifestyle tips. So today we are gonna do a fun little kind of TikTok themed video. So TikTok, man, it has put me on to so many new fun beauty products, and it's not great for my bank account, but I wanted to try a few of the viral ones out for you guys, and today we're gonna be focusing on brows. So y'all know you've seen, I'm sure if you are on TikTok, you have seen all sorts of different brow products that people are swearing by, right? So we don't really know like how good are they. Some of them are expensive, some of them are not. So I'm gonna try 3 of them for you. So here are the 3 products that we are going to be trying today. Number 1 is the NYX Lift and Snatch Pen. This is a little brow pen. It's like a little paint pen. I've tried one like this before from Glossier and I loved it. The only problem with Glossier's is I feel like sometimes it kind of put out too much product. So let's try this. Next one is going to be, I know y'all have seen this, right? This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Freeze, okay? This is a brow gel / wax type consistency that's completely clear. Look, you can see right through it. And I have been using this, as you can tell, and I will give you my review very soon. And I am gonna try everything on camera today so you can see how it applies, and I will give you my whole review on it. We are gonna do reviews 1 through 10 and see how they go. And then the last one, okay, and I'm gonna have to take off any makeup that I have around here to make sure that this actually works. This is gonna be a first time test here, okay? So this is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. I have seen this on TikTok so many times and I'm like, doesn't it really work? Like, is it gonna make my brows look crazy? I don't know. So we're gonna try it out on camera today for the first time and see how it goes. I'm a little slightly terrified. I got color medium brown. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But we're gonna do this one last because I'm gonna need to like make sure that everything is off my face around that area because it's like staining the skin basically. It kind of reminds me of like what a henna tattoo would do in a sense, because this is only supposed to last up to 3 days, it says. Is like the work worth it? I don't know. Then my brows are always snatched 24/7 for at least 3 days. I mean, I can get down on that. That would be pretty bomb. I wanna get right into this review, so let's get started. We're gonna start out with that NYX Lift and Snatch Pen. So I am going to use a little brow brush. I already have it angled, just like you can see here. Reason being, I actually for a while was using the Patrick Ta brow wax. Loved it, but the whole application process was a little bit strenuous. It's just, you have to wet down the wax to activate it, and you have to like move it all around. And it's just kind of a process, which is one of the reasons why I was so excited to try this brow freeze, but I always use a little spoolie guy. All right, so let's just get in here and get this nice and fluffy. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit closer up kind of what my brows look like to start. That is where we are. All right, so now that we've brushed those up, we can really see where we're at. We're starting out by using this NYX pen. You can see here, let's see how that works. I mean, it's a pretty nice, strong brown here. I'm gonna put a few little dollops. So you can see you can get thicker and thinner strokes. So we're gonna put that in here. And I have been using this the past few days and y'all, I'm really, really liking it, but I want to show you guys how this actually applies. What I like about this right now is that I can get these beautifully thin baby strokes that really genuinely look like hair, because I don't like a really drawn on brow. I like a fluffy, natural, filled in brow. Not anything that looks like a block of color. I can't do it. We are just gonna go in there and fill in these little spots. And I've been liking lately to bring my brow out a little bit more to the side rather than down, like it naturally does for me. So I've just been going out a little bit and bringing that just out a little bit more so that I get this nice, when you're doing your brows, you know, you want them from your nose to the outer corner of your eye, and then you want it to end right at where that is hitting, where that pen is hitting. So technically I want my brow to go out just a little bit further, like that. So right there, honestly, like I could stop right there and that looks like a really nice, like snatched brow. A difference there. I think it looks really nice. Now what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just brush those hairs down a bit, and I'm gonna go in and fill in the top a little bit as well. So then we can brush that right back up. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more fullness right on the highest part of my brow there. Just a little bit more. And y'all, I think that that's it. That's all we needed to do for this specific product. The best things that I'm liking about this product is how easy it is to control. It's extremely controlled. I can get very nice thin strokes. So that is my favorite part about this. So I got ash brown, and I think it is a really nice color. It looks really similar to my roots. So it looks very natural. Now, what I will normally do is I'll go in with something like this or a pencil, and then I'll go in with a brow gel or wax to fix my actual brow hairs in place to give that extra nice fullness and featheriness in my brows. And then they'll also just stay in place all day. So there's that too. Yeah, it's just a really pretty brow. Even if I didn't add gel or anything on top of it to fix the actual brow hairs, I would still feel comfortable just like doing my makeup this way, and it would be perfectly fine. So if I'm gonna rate this out of 10, I'm gonna give this NYX Lift and Snatch pen, I give it a 10 out of 10. Honestly, it's really well done. I think it's affordable enough, and it's a nice product. Would definitely recommend this. And I think it comes in a lot of different colors too. Okay, now let's move on to product number 2 for TikTok. So product number 2 is gonna be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. I was using the Patrick Ta wax, okay, the brow wax. I also got the one that had a slight tint to it, and what I didn't like about that was if it got outside of my brows, then I felt like I had to do extra cleanup. So I like the fact that this is clear and it's not gonna make me do extra cleanup. We're gonna just put this spoolie in here. You want a decent amount of product, but you don't necessarily need a ton. So I'm just gonna grab that, and if you can see that there's some product on the back of that brush. So I have one brow with brow tint pen, and then I have one brow with nothing on it. So I wanna see what the difference of what it looks like with and without for the brow freeze, to see how much of a difference it is if you actually fill them in and do the brow freeze. We are just going to pop this in here. I take that back. I need a little bit more product. I didn't quite get enough. Do you guys see how well this works? Hello. Hello. It is amazing. It's so good. I love it. Before I do any shaping, that is what the brow looks like. It is really beautiful and feathery, and those brows just like, they stay up there so nicely. It's so good. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the other end of this, and I'm just gonna kind of laminate those down a bit. Yes. Okay, and then I'm gonna just take my fingernail, and I'm just gonna really snatch in that brow line. Then I'm gonna go right back over that, finesse a little bit, because I did do the pen first. It did take off a little bit of that pen product, so it might be better to actually go in with this after you do the brow freeze and fill in, because it did take some of that product off. But not bad. I'm just gonna go back in there with a couple little things right at the bottom where I can tell it took some of that product off. And that's it. Brow with both of those products on, brow with nothing. I mean, what? I think it looks so good. Stop right now, pause the video, and go down to the comments and tell me what you guys think. Do you think this brow looks snatched? Do you think it looks like a pretty, like, overall natural feathery brow? Tell me now in the comments, because I would love to know what you guys think of that, because I think that is a beautiful brow. And what a combo. So now with this other brow, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go back in, get the same amount of product. I'm just gonna use the brow freeze on this brow with no fill-in and see how much of a difference it makes too. Cause some days maybe, I got a little bit more, I got too much in the center here. Oh no, oh no. Okay, that's no bueno. Do you see right in the corner here? It got like my makeup in it and then got all like kind of nasty and white looking. I don't like that. Be careful when you're putting this in to not get it too far over here, because now it kind of like got like too much. I feel like that did a pretty good job. So let's laminate that. And then we're just gonna kind of finesse a little bit. I don't know why, but I feel like this brow is like more ornery. Do you have one brow that's just like a little bit more finicky? Because that's this brow for me. The other one never misbehaves. This one's kind of a brat. I feel like that's better. So let's just take that down. Here are the two different brows. So this one's quite a bit lighter. This one's a little bit darker. I don't know if you guys can see this, but what I'm seeing is I see makeup that has kind of congealed right in the corner here. I don't like that at all. I don't like it that I did that. But I love the way this looks. This, maybe if you use a little bit less and you don't get that makeup in there that's all intertwined, then you'll be fine. I like it better when it's paired with the pen or with a crayon of some sort. What do you guys think? Overall, this brow still looks really nice. It's just not quite as snatched as the other one. But for a day that you're going for less makeup and you just want a little bit more of a full brow, I think this could be a really nice look. Just like a really pretty feathery brow, very natural looking. What I will say, because I've been using this for a few days now, I will tell you this lasts. It will keep your brows up for hours. Hours, I'm not kidding. It will keep them up for a long time. So that is something to be said. And I don't have to, it's a all-in-one product. So I don't have to go in and find a setting spray to reactivate it and then smush it around to get it to where I need it. I don't like that there's so many steps to it. It just seems like too much. I already do enough for my makeup. I don't need extra steps. So I like that this is an all-in-one. So this brow freeze is $23. It is a little bit more on the pricey end. I mean, that's like, I think it was about double of what this was. I'll put the price up here so you guys can see and compare. Overall, for how much I'm gonna use, there's a decent amount of product in here and you don't have to use that much. So this is gonna last you for a while. So I do think that this would be worth it. I'm gonna give this probably like an 8.5 out of 10. I love this overall. I think it makes it easier. I think it's super well made. I think it does its job. But the thing that I'm not liking about it is, number one, that it kind of like congealed in my makeup a little bit. And it is pricier. I think it depends on what's in your budget, what's gonna work. But I will say for the price, it still works really, really well. So to each their own. Now, here is what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna take these off and we're gonna try the tattoo brow. A little scared. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. But we're gonna try it and we're gonna see how it goes. And you guys are gonna get to witness it. Let's do it. All right, let's just take this bad boy off with my makeup eraser. If you guys haven't tried one of these, the makeup erasers, they are literally my saving grace. I love them so much. I have the little like tiny little squares and I also have one or two of these guys. They're so nice. I feel bad erasing all this work that we just did. The brows were looking so pretty and they gotta go away. All right, Maybelline, show me what you got. This is the product. All right, this is the tattoo brow. Easy peel off tint in, okay, yep, medium brown. Definitely a little globby. We're gonna need to take that down a little bit. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to really clean these up because I'm a perfectionist. It is what it is. Before I start on this, let's read the directions. 3 easy steps. Apply in desired brow shape. Let dry for at least 20 minutes. For up to 3 days wear. Let dry for 2 hours. Wait, what? So if I want it to last for 3 days, I need to wear this on my face for 2 hours. Okay, yeah, sure. Maybe I'll do an hour and do it in between. I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing this on my face for 2 hours, but you know, if I was doing it at night, it'd be fine, but I've got shit to do. Excuse my language. And then peel off, okay, and then peel off inner to outer. So inner to outer. Okay, so like peel with the way the hair grows. All right, y'all, let's do this. Okay, let's clean this bad boy up. It's definitely like a jelly type consistency. See how it's like stringy. Ooh. All right, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh my God, it's so dark. This is so dark. Oh, I'm gonna need way more product. Maybe that's why they had that much on there. Okay, we're like really gonna get in there. This is, I'm terrified right now. Oh my God. I'm gonna have like that throwback brick brow. Do you guys remember when like brows were like really starting to be a thing and everybody was majorly filling them in? There was like this whole brick brow. I think, who was it? James Charles, do you remember his brick brows? His brick brows? Yeah, I'm afraid. That's what I'm afraid I'm about to have happen. So right now I'm basically just going in with my natural brow shape. I'm hoping it looks natural. After I'm done, I'm gonna take you guys down and I'm gonna go ask my husband what he thinks of these brows and tell him I think they look good and get his honest impression, because I'm really curious what he's gonna say. Oh my God. And I don't know if I even have it thick enough. Does it need to be really, really thickly laid on? Okay, we're gonna... I am scaring myself truly right now. All right, I'm just trying to make sure that these are as even as possible. Because if they're not even, I'm stuck with these bad boys for up to 3 days. It's terrifying right now. I am very scared for my eyebrows at this moment because this is terrifyingly dark. Now we're gonna sit with this on my brows for the next hour. And while this sits, I'm gonna go ask my husband and see what he thinks. Let's go see. Okay, so what do you think?
Not great.
Not great?
Not great.
What do you think? What do they look like to you?
What do they look like? You look like Charlie Chaplin.
I look like Charlie Chaplin. Okay, we are back and this has been on my brows for the past hour or so. It peels off, apparently. Let's see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. Wish me luck, here we go. Say your prayers. I hope my whole brow doesn't come off. Oh, okay. So it really does just peel. Oh my God, okay. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Oh, it definitely took some brow hairs with it though. Can you guys see this? That's so nasty looking. It looks so good. I am shocked that this looks this good. Let's peel off the other one. Oh my God, okay, okay, okay. Let's peel off the other one. Now I need to know. Oh wait, that one did not come off as smoothly. Okay. Ooh, this one's chunky. Oh my gosh. That is incredible. 10 out of 10. Wow, I'm impressed. Also super affordable, price up here. Wow. Okay, TikTok viral brow products. Every single one was fantastic. Word to the wise, listen to TikTok. Listen to TikTok beauty viral products because apparently they do work. They are worth the hype. Every single one of these, I do not regret buying. This is probably gonna become a part of my, now we'll see how long it actually lasts, but now I feel like my brows are like good. Like I don't even have to do them. They'll probably be even more snatched if I use this on top of this. Okay, everything is linked below. You can check it out at your own will. Super awesome. I would recommend every single one of these. Also, if you're new here, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you put the thumbs up so that everybody knows that this is a video they need to watch, because I feel wholeheartedly that everybody should watch every single one of these products and try them because wow. And also, if you guys are looking for more tutorials or more tips and tricks, you can definitely check out my Instagram and my TikTok. Both of those, I have lots of videos, tutorials, especially more quick form stuff. So I'd love to see you guys over there. All right, I will talk to you later. Until next week, bye guys.